Hi Ludovica, hi Angela and Chiara, hi Alessandro and Alessandra, Arianna, Alessandro, Francesca, Elisa, Emanuela, hi Marco, hi Marta, hi Alessandro, hi Domenico. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Well, it's 2 weeks since we last had our class together in our classroom. I have long thought about how to make you improve your English, also involving your digital skills, which I think are very good so far. And I don't want you to be bored. I don't want me to be boring and I don't want you to be bored by loads and loads of homework. So I have created this page in which you will take part with your personal contributions through your posts. This is Padlet, that is an online diary that is meant to get a lot of contribution guided by me uh, in order to improve and keep your English fresh during these days without school. Okay, this is the whole Padlet. I will send you the address on your Argo page, and you will enter this page in which I have created 2 exercises. Well, the title of this page is Let's Keep in Online Touch. You know that it's difficult now to keep in touch, to stay close to each other, but we will soon stay together. And of course, this is an English class without the classroom. So that's why I have written English class while classrooms are closed, just to make fun. Hope so. Anyway, this is the first exercise. I want to know how do you feel today? And I would like you to write a text, um, writing about your emotions and feelings now and your expectations and hopes for the future. I have added a list of adjectives in order to help you choose the right word for your present state. Some are new for you, so please don't be afraid and don't hesitate to look for them in the dictionary, in your dictionary. Okay, you will, when you have chosen your adjectives and you want to write your post, you can write it here and submit it. So it will appear on this big board and I will see it. The second exercise is a watching video exercise. There is a video, a nice video, and you will add the missing words to the summary that is given here. And you have to write these words to complete the summary. It is not this difficult, but I would like you to rewrite the whole text with the words you have chosen and put in the right place and submit it to me. This is what I have created for you now. Please do this exercise as soon as you can so that I can see them. And I will add some more activities. Don't be afraid. It's so nice and useful as a page. And I think I will find some more activities to enjoy your stay at home with me. Bye for now. See you soon.